Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know, you're the part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here, okay? Because over here, we're grateful for everything. And we're grateful to have you. So today's a little different. As y'all know, if you saw my first Clever Fox video, there's that one that's coming out. There's the sticker book review, and then there's also a budgeting binder planner coming out as well. So stay tuned. If you're interested, you can watch. If you're not, I totally get it. But I did get you guys a code. It's JTWW, like Journey to Wisdom and Wealth 10th, JTWW10. If any of this interests you, go ahead and check out the site. The links will be linked down below. This is basically just a sticker flip through, or sticker pages flip through, because only this one is a book. All right, guys, hope you enjoy the video. Let's just get started. So there are 3 different sticker books. And let's go with this one. This is the Productivity Pack, 17 sheets. And this one is more like a book. And there's 1,500 plus stickers. Here it is. This is very like pastel-y and colorful. And you see they've got budget and payday stickers in here. This one seems like more of a budget section. So your pay bills, stickers, notes, all that. And then this one is more of habit trackers, coffee breaks, chores, just flags on early morning things to do. And then you've got a few hair and workout, functional, like everyday chore stickers. And then this one, I love that they also kind of cohesive. This is like your traveling vacation stickers, or Netflix and chill, your itinerary, to-do stickers, like that. This one is more of a purple blue theme, and this also has appointments, to-dos, and also a few bill dues and to-dos, and some checklist flags, which I like. And now we have the same kind of, I appreciate that they have about 2 pages of the same kind of coloring. 2 pages of the same coloring, so you can use that to correspond with your spread. This one just like a lot of motivational, and this one has birthday stickers and don't be rude, and some cute little ampersand, it's happening, journaling stickers, and expectations, celebrate, cute. Then we've got this greenish purplish kind of pink spread, and home sweet home, and stop worrying about things you can't control. I love these quotes here, and be gone. Wow. Better oops than what if. Oh, they have cute little, so this one's like cute little sayings. And then we have what I really like, because the planner is undated. They have a day of the month labels, and there are Monday, 1, 2, I hope there's 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12. So you can use that one for each month if that's what you want to do. Then we get into a few more just random colorful stickers, which I really like. Obviously, they're Clever Foxes. So there are foxes, there's piggies, there's graduation, just smiley faces, celebration, food, ooh, don't be mad, travel, just a lot of different things. And I love these because they have brown girls and cream girls and a lot of different skin tones, because a lot of times the honest truth of it is that brown people are not always represented. So thank you, Clever Fox, for that. Love these. Ooh, day off. I need one of those in there. Ooh, look, that would have been cute for Halloween. Okay, moving along. And they have a whole page of tan girls with the blonde hair. And then they have a whole page of what I would call a light brown girl. Was she mad? Ooh, yes, payday. Oh, skincare day. Self-care day. And then this, I think this is a slightly darker tone. So she's brown with like straight hair, and she's brown with curly hair. Cute. And then they have just cute little sayings and stickers. Hello, autumn, spring, winter, summer. That's cute. Girls' night, game night, coffee. Just little ones that you may want to use throughout your planner. And then this one only has one. No lie. So it has one, but it looks like a whole spread situation. So they also have January, February, March if you want to put in your months, as well as some date stickers. And then they have some numbers here. And I'm not sure exactly how to use this whole planner thing, but I do love the colorful boxes and some Clever Fox flags. And then the last page on this is a whole bunch of, I would think they were water trackers. Water trackers, and y'all know I love to track my water, and I love to drink water, so that's amazing. So this is this sticker book. The next sticker book is the Budget and Finance sticker book. This is actually one my friend Lisa bought me, and I'm just sharing it with you all because I think they sent me a budget binder as well that I'll be sharing with you, but that budget binder came with its own stickers. This one's just a bigger pack of stickers. So this is just separate pages, which I kind of like. It's going to be easier for me to thumb through. And this one has cute side hustles and the little fox and payday and house and secure the bag, credit debt and gifts and just cute. And another spring, summer, winter one. And oh, they have payday stickers. So those are cute. And then they have bill due. I hope they have some no spends because I really want to track some no spends. So these are really just cute in case you want to do taxes, important balance, giving, cutback, vacation, auto pay, to-dos, birthdays, gym, just random stickers to add to your calendar, I'm assuming. Ooh, cute little saving stickers. Ooh, cute little bill due stickers. And the one where you could put credit card due, money due, or payday, or a bill is due. And you just put, I guess the amount would be cute. And a few more of these. Just everyday cute reminder stickers. Wealth is in the mind. I love that. Then just some regular, nothing said, nothing done, but just some functional stickers, gas, medical appointment, house bill, water bill, electric, trash, car, groceries, fix it, a repair. Okay. And then some cute saved stickers. Oh, that's cute. And then they have grocery stickers. Love that. Groceries and gasolina. Empty boxes. I love that. A don't overspend. Emergency fund. They got a lot of stickers in this pack here. Doctor's appointments. All the appointments. Vet, dentist, doctor. All of that things. All them things. No spend stickers. And I love that this is a no spend tracker. So you could do no spend, then you can color in whatever days you did not spend. Not sure why you have a blank space there, but I'm excited. And they have these cute little no spend stickers. Yeah, they should have gave me 2 of these. And then the car, saving just general, budget reviews, bills. We've seen a lot of these already. Which I love that they're duplicates. And these are just little savings, shopping, medical, clothing, if you want to add. Cash envelopes. Look at that. I love that. Rainy day savings, emergency fund. Okay, I don't know why I'm this excited, but I love that. And then bill and due and pay. I love these because I love to see the bill, when is due and did I pay it? What's due and did I pay it? Love these. I wish there were 2 pages of this. So that's the bill due sticker pack. Hang in there with me, y'all. We got one more. I hope you guys are enjoying these. These sticker packs weren't that expensive either for as many as you get. This is their mega planner sticker pack. Sheesh. It's the same as the budget where it's like sheets, separated sheets, which I like because I feel like it's just easier to thumb through them than a box. I like this. Oh, these have like, oh, that's so cool. So like this first, it looks like these would be cute for planning because this looks like it's January. January has MLK Day. It says January. There's New Year's. Okay, so we're not going to talk about them all. And they have you all the date dots. Look at MLK. Oh my God. Okay, I'm done. There he is again. Okay. But I'm just going to thumb through these so y'all can see them. This looks like it would be for January. Look at February. Okay, I know which ones I'm using. I just wish this was pink or red. But anyway, this is February, I guess, Kwanzaa, cool stuff like that. Okay. March. Oh, wow. So cute. April. Look look at the bunny fox. Okay, I'm done. May. Cinco de Mayo. That's what she's there for. Dia de Muertes. Okay, my bad. I thought she was Halloween. But okay. Yeah, look at that. Sorry. June. Look at me and my floaty. I mean, hello, summer. I said I wasn't going to do this, but now I love them. I really love them. July. So freaking cute. It's August. It's my birthday month. And I love. Look at it. Birthday. It's my birthday. They knew. They knew. September. I love the color of this. Y'all know I love this rust color. Oh my gosh. Okay. October. This looks like Bewitched. I kind of love that. Oh my gosh. November. Okay. Little turkey. December. I'm sorry y'all are not seeing all of them, but when I use them to plan, y'all will see them. And then they give, oh my gosh. I love this set is the best. This mega pack is where it's at, you guys. So far, I think that's my favorite set. So then we have this one, which is just so freaking cute. Look at that. Radiate positivity. And it's like I think it's 2 different stickers. You can kind of use them on the same spread. Get in. We're going shopping. Okay, life is good. Cute little foil looking stickers. A lot of like appointments, check-offs, to-dos, boxes, more appointments. Ooh. You guys, I've been wanting these, but I want them transparent, but I love these colors. I think they'd be very pretty for tracking. Okay. Oh, very nice. These look like more trackers, just functional boxes. And then we have Do Not Disturb, Gym Day. This almost looks like self-care-ish, hanging out with your friends. Very, very cute. Oh, and then they give you some more budget type of stickers. I feel like we saw these. I feel like this is a combination of a lot of the ones they have. This one's definitely like a gym. Like this is your gym schedule and working out. And I love that that's in there. Some more drink your water. Don't wish for it. Work for more gym type of themes. And then more water trackers. Girl, you ain't gonna run out of no water trackers, fam. Again, we have, get your refills and the doctor's appointments, dentist appointments, vets appointments, health, just health. And then payday, more budget stickers type things here. More budget type things here. Ooh, more of those no-spin stickers. Ooh, cute no-spins challenge girly. I love that. I can't wait. I can't wait. More of those Bill Do ones I was saying I wish I had more of. Just the functional ones. More of those boxes. I like this color scheme. Reminders, boxes, making phone calls. One thing I don't like to do. This is like a double page of that, and then more payday stickers. So that is the mega sticker book. Mega sticker book. I love them all, to be honest, you guys. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. And I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith or fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever,